Get excited because Team CarePal is going to be adding some new things to the app this year. One of the things is if you go down all the way to the bottom, you're going to see resources. Click on that icon. Right now, you might not see very much, or you're going to see some really high-level resources in Canada and the USA. But by leveraging AI technology, Team CarePal is going to be delivering you customized resources based on your location and your specific needs, so that you will never be in the dark again and you will always have information tips. Another really important feature that I want you to know is that whenever you are needing support, click on the caregiver support. This 211 is a confidential helpline in the US and Canada that provides free access to a wide range of health and human services. There are specialists that offer information and referrals for the needs like food, housing, mental health, healthcare, employment, and more. So if ever you feel like you have nowhere to turn, just dial 211 for assistance.